Just because you can see the air doesn't mean you stop breathing. Just because you can't see God doesn't mean you stop believing. Think a few things we didn't get after praying. Think and thank God of the countless beautiful things He gave without asking. Achieving your dreams is a numbers game. If you'd have the courage and determination to knock on enough doors, you will find the right one. Be careful of who you pick as a friend. Most people will pretend to listen, but are only gathering information to judge you with. If you didn't see it with your own eyes, or hear it with your own ears, then don't invent it with your small mind and share it with your big mouth. If someone has something bad to say about you, it's probably because they don't have anything good to say about themselves. When you want something you have never had, you have to do something you have never done. Have you ever wondered which hurts the most, saying something and wishing you had not, or saying nothing and wishing you had? Don't put your hopes up too high. Don't expect too much, because the higher you are, the deeper you might fall. In life, you are going to be left out, talked about, lied to, and used. But you have to decide who is worth your tears and who is not. Stop thinking about all the things that could go wrong and start thinking of what could go right. Too many people go through life waiting for things to happen instead of making them happen. Never stop doing your best just because someone doesn't give you credit. When people can walk away from you, let them walk. Don't try to talk another person into staying with you, loving you, calling you, caring for you, coming to you, or staying attached to you. When people can walk away, let them walk. Your destiny is never tied to anybody that left. Anyone can be nice to your face, but it takes a true friend to be nice behind your back. Remember, when someone walks away from you, it's not the end of your story. It's the end of their part in your story.